In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design food poster in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to find a great starting point and turn it into a polished, eye-catching poster that's ready to promote your dish or restaurant. First, open Canva and head to the Templates area from the home page. This is where Canva keeps an entire library of ready-made designs, and it's the quickest way to get professional results without starting from a blank page. Entering through templates also helps you see layouts that are already optimized for clear messaging and strong visuals. Next, use the search bar and type food poster. This narrows the results to designs crafted specifically for food promotions, menus, specials, and events. You can refine your search by adding a cuisine or style, like street food or minimal, but the core idea is to begin with a poster framework that fits the vibe you're going for. Now, take a moment to browse. Scroll through the options and look for a layout with good visual hierarchy. A bold headline area, space for a photo or two, and room for key details like a price, a short description, or a callout. Pay attention to orientation and size if you already know where the poster will be displayed. You can click to preview a template to get a better sense of spacing and readability. When you find a design you like, click Customize this template. Canva will open it in the editor as your own copy. This gives you full control to change images, colors, text, and layout without affecting the original. With the template open, start personalizing. Replace the placeholder images with your own dish photos by using the Uploads panel, or try Canva's built-in photos if you need a quick visual. Drag a photo over an existing image to swap it instantly and use crop or adjust to fine-tune the framing. Update the headline with the dish or offer, keep it short and punchy, and make sure it contrasts well against the background. Edit supporting text so it's concise and scannable. Think a brief description, key ingredients, or a limited time note. Align elements using Canva's smart guides to maintain clean spacing. Adjust colors to match your brand or the mood of the cuisine. Warm tones often work well for food, and high contrast improves legibility from a distance. If your design includes shapes or icons, keep them consistent in style and size. Zoom out to see how everything reads at a glance, then zoom in to check small details like spacing and typos. Canva saves your work automatically, so you can refine as needed until it looks just right. And that's it. Your food poster is designed and ready to impress.